Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and I'm going to show you two different ways that you can get Mycora inside of Palworld 1.0. So there isn't really a good way to catch Mycora, to my knowledge, inside of the regular island chain of Palworld. So if you want to get your own Mycora relatively early before you're in the world tree, you're going to need to grab yourself a Nitemary and an Eidrolon and breed them together, and that will produce a Mycora from one of these many eggs. Your alternative then, if you don't want to bother with breeding, is you're going to have to wait until you're inside of the world tree. Inside of the world tree, you're going to find Mycora down here in this little sort of bottom left corner of the world tree map. It's where there's kind of like a lot of mushroomy darkness and stuff. There's even like a Mycora boss down here. And this is where the spore cluster or the spore cloister teleport point is. And the coordinates for that are -1810 and 1323 for inside the world tree. So this will require you to at least have defeated Panthalis and gotten some good spheres in order to go down there and catch them. So once you're down here in the spore cluster, you're going to have a few other pals mixed in here, like some dark pals, like these Lumen. So my suggestion is throw on your mercy item that doesn't let you kill things accidentally, and then fly around until you start to see them. This is so here's a couple. They're literally just up the hill from the teleport point, which is just over that rise down by that waterfall. And here's two of them. They're in their 70s, usually like 73 plus is what levels you'll see. And they typically run away from you unless they run into one of these passive environmental bombs. And you can shoot them, and then you'll need something like a soul sphere or an ancient sphere in order to successfully catch them. And you should be able to find these kind of hanging out all over. You'll also be able to find Lylene and Lylene Noct in here, although they're a bit of a higher level. So if you want to get an easier set of those, you can find these as a pair on Sakurajima Island in the nighttime. And yeah, the Mycora are just kind of mixed in with a little bit of everything else. There's some Shroomers and some more Lumen. So just hunt them down and grab them if you see them. Although I'm not sure why this one's name won't show up. Oh, that's because this is the boss. So this is the boss one over here. This is the one that's in this little pool. And the boss is an alpha and also came with Vanguard. And these are a grass pal, which I'm sure you could probably guess because their theme is they are based off of mushrooms. So taking a look at the boss Mycora that we just caught, let's have a look at her stats. So this one is female and comes with Vanguard, and they've got pretty good attack, pretty good defense, about average work speed. And they come with level 6 planting, level 4 handiwork, level 4 gathering, and level 6 medicine production. And then over here, their special ability is while at base, increases the medicine production work suitability level for all other base pals by +1. Does not stack. And I'm sure that jumps up a little bit if you fully condense a Mycora with a whole bunch of her siblings. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's where you either breed or get Mycora. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've been your host, Larry, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.